Pamela here. I'm here to show you this Kate Spade laptop sleeve. This is made of Saffiano leather. You can see the design. It's floral blue. Hardwares are in, it looks like silver. Yeah, I think it's silver. It's not the pale gold of Kate Spade. It's made of Saffiano leather. And of course, it should be padded because it's a laptop sleeve. It says fits a laptop up to 15 inches. So maximum of 15 inches laptop can be fit in. But we'll still take the dimensions. Length is around 14.75. I won't give the exact dimensions so that you'll know what's the dimension that would fit your item. So it's 14.75 inches. And height is 10.75 inches too. So you can see it's well padded and the lining is color blue. Protects your laptop well because the pad is quite thick. If you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up sign and don't forget to subscribe and share our video. Please take care. Bye. See you soon.